come. Kick gas. Look at this, dude. Third one just dropped off somewhere. It's gotta be Embry Riddle stuff. I've seen these planes before, but check it out. Whoa, it's a buzz by Embry Riddle right there. Here comes this guy. I don't know what happened to the third one, just peeled off. Wow, there's a tight bank. Turn on the jets. Check them out. Bam! He hit the hill! Sorry, as far as camera view goes.
That one smokes like purple.
That one's dead. That one in the helicopter was just jumping right up there. He's still up there?
Yep, just hanging out.
Yeah. Oh, he turned his direction. He was facing that way.